Math operators. Operators are the action elements of a computer program. They perform actions such as adding two variables, dividing one variable by another variable, comparing one variable to another variable, etc. Overall result is completely dependent on the type of operator we have used. For example, in 10 plus 20, the numbers 10 and 20 are operands and plus is the operator. Blocks for operators are present in math category in 𝐴𝐈_CONNECT. Roundup. Roundup is a math feature majorly used in chopping bills to find the nearest upper value. Round down. Round down is a math feature mainly used in chopping bills to find the nearest lower value. Use of math blocks. These blocks are used for calculating any problem statements such as calculating total sum, calculating difference, solving math problems, measuring conversions, centimeter, inches, kg.